True Jamaican vibes for Reid. So guys, today I'm in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you know, a lot of people travel from all over the world. And this is one of the #1 stopping ground in a St. Elizabeth, YSFALLS. So I'm giving a little update. Currently now them doing some work on the building. You know, so yes, we come and enjoy ourselves. So we can't get to go over the premises, no matter do some work on it, but just an update same way. It's not open yet, so as soon as it's open, I'll give you no feedback and make you know what go on in a YSFALLS area. My people, one love and one heart. Yeah man, I'm gonna do some work on the building. Yeah. YSFALLS. Yeah man, I'm gonna set up back a place hopefully soon. We can come and enjoy ourselves again, and you know, see, I saw the #1 stopping spot for us in St. Elizabeth. So soon and very soon, so come back away as far as I enjoy yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. See the boss I do some work on him place, and that's a good look for our St. Elizabeth people. Yeah man, so soon and very soon. Yeah man, so I keep them up to date, because you know people from all different walks of life want to experience YSFALLS, and everything's so up and running again. Yeah man, you know, say after a storm it must be a calm, and things soon happen again. So just stick and stay. Yeah man, see boss, yeah. My eyes are yours. What you say, my boss? Everything good?
Yeah man, most things great man, because guess what, we have life. And right now, as me say, in the midst of everything and what passes us by, the wicked hurricane that, you know, pass us, boy guys, trust me, we have a lot to give God thanks for.
Yeah man.
And right now, guys, yeah man, it's good to be on the road with Fire Reid again. It's a long time. We haven't linked up this way, but trust me, it's a great feeling man. But trust me guys, as me say, continue to watch, continue to support. And guys, always remember man, like, comment, share and subscribe man. Each one help one. Yeah. Right now with the YSFALLS seat there, yeah man, we can't go over there if we go now close up and show no what go on, but we still are give you something. So I don't know how you think set man. So I bless up on yourself and always support the channel. Because him always have something good that come out for us. So stick and stay.
Yeah man, so you see it? We are the boss there,
yeah,
you know?
Man.
We there go and
general people.
Yeah man,
yeah,
so we are tour place and show no what go on at St. Elizabeth, you know? One love and one heart.
Big up yourself.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so we have cat on the ground. Hi. Tame, that's all. Tame cat. Yeah man, see it? Yeah man, see there? My eyes are yours, we are tour place and so I go on man. Yeah man, see it there? Building and work can take place for the building, you know? But we can't get over the falls area because, you know, a bit of restriction and things. So they might do some work, and I like them to put in some hard work, see if them can get back a place up and running. So yeah man, so we are giving what we want. You know, a lot of tourists come to Jamaica, and you know, them love the bread basket, right? St. Elizabeth. But I don't know what to say anymore now. After this storm, I don't know if they're gonna say St. Elizabeth is the bread basket anymore, because a lot of damage take place at St. Elizabeth with Hurricane Melissa. But we still not give up same way. We still enjoy our beautiful country, our beautiful island, Jamaica, on the St. Elizabeth side. Yeah man. Can see devastation that take place here, so much broken trees, whole heap of debris up on the road and things same way. Yeah man, I see a lot of place flood out in that area. Big tree. Like the storm couldn't move that one here, you know? But a lot of trees down. So look up on the mountain top, way up there, so can see the difference of the how the storm affect the trees them. But then it was very, very dry. Yeah man. So keep on watching my people. This is an update in our beautiful island of Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. So thank you guys for watching.